Happy Saturday! Join me again in this artsy, crafty, fun, and yummy weekend as we learn how to create different, creative, and meaningful projects. I am Teacher Dette and this is Teacher Vibal Weekend Special, where we will engage in experiments, explore do-it-yourself activities, and many more. Have you ever tried making little animations in the corners of your notebook? I did that too, and they were actually super fun to make, right? Well, if you've been itching to draw something, it's time to set your creativity free because in today's episode, we are going to draw and bring our drawings to life. We are going to create a do-it-yourself flipbook. Are you excited? Come on, let's widen our imagination and start doodling. Before we proceed to our do-it-yourself project for today, I would like to invite you all to a magical learning experience in Vibal's Happy Homeschool program. Check out the description to learn more. Alright, I have a little trivia for you. Did you know that the earliest devices that created the illusion of moving images and animations were small mechanical machines that were shaped like a cylinder or circular drums? They look like a tiny merry-go-round. The first flipbook appeared in 1868 under the name kineograph or moving picture in Latin. Animation is made of a series of still images that when played quickly in succession creates the illusion of movement. This is best illustrated in the pages of a flipbook, especially a flipbook that has been created by you. I know you can do this, so let's get started. For our do-it-yourself flipbook, we will be needing papers, sticky notes, index cards or notepads will do, pens, crayons, and markers, scissors, tape, and stapler. Since we're all set, let's begin. Step 1. Cut the paper into your desired size. Handheld sizes in rectangles or squares are ideal because it's easier to flip the book's pages quickly and get the desired animation effect. Plus, the more pages you have in your flipbook, the better because it will also help your book flip more effectively. Step 2. Bind your book. If you don't have a heavy-duty stapler, try stapling smaller sets of paper with a regular stapler and bind them together with tape, or you can use binder clips. With this, you can add and remove pages to the book more easily than with staples. Step 3. Fill in your book. Not sure what to draw in your flipbook? Take something that gradually moves across the page or you can create a visual story about something that changes in size, from small to big or shrinks from large to small. Here's an example. Now let's see how it works. Wow! Did you enjoy making your own do-it-yourself flipbook? Here are some tips to upgrade your flipbook experience.
1. Number your cards or papers. Numbering your cards or papers will help you keep track of where you are in the animation. If ever they are messed up, you can easily figure out where they go. Number 2. Make keyframes for your animations. Designing what the objects will look like before making the flipbook will help your animation look better and more consistent. Three. Make sure your animation stays on the right or left half of the page. This depends on whether you are right-handed or left-handed, but you should always keep the animation on one half of the card. This makes sense so that you can see all the amazing animations when you flip it. Number 4. Test your flipbook before you finish. It's always fun to see how your flipbook is working out before you are done. This will help you determine if you need to make any big changes in your story early on. 5. Add blank cards for smoother flip. Flipbooks can sometimes be hard to flip through. Adding 10 to 15 blank pages on the end will help you flip your flipbook smoothly.
Keep all these tips in mind and you're ready to start making your own flipbook. See? Making our hands work and letting it create something out of our imagination will do a lot of things for us. Things that may seem impossible to bring to life, but in reality, we can. Do not be afraid to be creative and let those brilliant ideas run inside your minds and unleash your potential. And that's it for our do-it-yourself project today. I hope you learned something and I'm really excited to hear your stories about your own flipbook. Just share them in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Of course, to experience magical learning at home, enroll in Vibal's Happy Homeschool program. Just check the description box for the link. Again, I am Teacher Dette, reminding you to relax, keep calm, and stay crafty. See you again next week for more do-it-yourself projects here in Teacher Vibal Weekend Special.